Yo, what up? It's your boy B-Dub. Back up in this joint with another one. Hey, check me out, man. I'm showing y'all what I'm doing in my front yard, man. So, look at this mulch. Big ass mound of mulch. Like, for real, this mulch ain't... I've been moving this by myself. As you can see, I mean, it took up the whole driveway. I moved all this by myself. I mean, it was piled up higher than this. It rained, so it didn't beat down. But yeah, man. Moving all this shit by myself. Let me show you what I did in the front. So, moving all this bricks over there. Put all this mulch here. This area right here gonna have black mulch. This gonna be all black mulch and flowers. And so, I just put the mulch here. A couple little flowers here. Little flowers. Now, these white ones are on both corners, but as you can see, the mulch snuffed it out when that truck dropped it all off. So yeah, man, got some rose bushes. Still got some more stuff to do. Got to clean all these lights up over here. We're gonna replace this paver. We're gonna put like a wood deck. See a little purple little, I don't even know what the fuck these are, lilies or some shit. I don't know, man. But anyways, yeah, I got this little plant right here. I think it's I don't know what the hell it is. Could be a lilac. My lady loves lilacs. Nope, it's a dwarf burning bush. But yeah, we put that in there. Didn't put this over to the edge yet because we're about to put a fence up. We're about to build a fence. Like, this is a vortex for all the trash in the neighborhood. It like vortexes into this yard. This right here is a peach tree I just put in. I'm mulching this whole shit. Over here, I got black mulch. It's not dyed. It's charcoal. Damn near. It's just burned. You know what I'm saying? So this is not dyed mulch. This is burned mulch. So I put it in here. It was red mulch up under it, but I'm about to buy some more bags of black mulch. Put it all over here. This whole front yard finna be black and brown. All this finna be black. I'm about to put a walkway in the middle with pavers, and under the pavers is gonna be black mulch. That's all gonna be black mulch. Yeah, these are 2 plum trees. That's another peach tree. That's a lilac. That's some other shit. Probably, I don't know what the hell those are. But yeah, man, I'm wheelbarrowing mulch everywhere. All back here on the side yard. All back here. I'm trying to amend the soil, man. Like, look at this dirt, man. This shit is trash, homie. Look at it. This is nothing. This is nothing. It's all like this. So, a year or two of this mulch being on here, backyard is fucked up. Hey, look at this. It's all dirt, man. Look at it. This is all dirt. All dirt everywhere. So I'm dumping mulch over here, dumping mulch over there. You know, it's all dirt, man. Just straight up just dirt, bro. The wind blew that down. Now I'm able to walk around since my surgeries. I had 2 surgeries since this all blew down. So now I'm able to walk around. And yeah, got to get all this got to clean all this back out. That's an apple tree right there. I'm gonna go buy some railroad ties and, you know what I'm saying, like barricade that in, drop a bunch of mulch and other stuff over there. Yeah, got stuff to clean up back here. It's gonna be a minute. Dropping mulch everywhere, dropping mulch over there. So I'm gonna clean this whole backyard up, man. I'm doing it by myself, so you know, my homeboy, one of my homies, he cut the tip of his finger off, so so that nigga ain't gonna be back here to help me out for a while. The other homie, he started his trucking company, so he gone. You know what I'm saying? Other homie in a trucking business, he gone. Other niggas just fuck them all. They fell off because they wasn't real homies. So, so yeah, man. Just waiting on these M's to come in, man. Yeah. Waiting on these M's to come in. Your boy finna be on. But yeah. This is what I'm doing in this yard, man, with all this damn mulch over there. Plum trees, peach tree, plum tree, another peach tree. I gotta clean all this out. Like I said, man, this is all getting removed. I'm putting a real fence in. I'm just gonna have to get pushed back about right to here. Like I said, putting that fence in. But this is just what we was doing for a while. Gotta put that slab back on this bench. That shit is heavy. That slab is heavy. Those are heavy too, but that joint right there heavy. So yeah, so we're gonna get all this cleaned up, put a wooden deck. We were gonna concrete it, But these motherfuckers talk about 3 racks just to concrete this little area, man. I can do that shit myself, man. But we're gonna just put a wood deck. Fuck it, just come off the porch, go over there. It's gonna be cool. But that's what your boy doing out here, man. Alright, getting this ugly yard fixed up. My neighbor got high school football turf. A high school football turf over here and shit. But yeah, man, that's his food truck. They food truck over there. But yeah, man, your boy over here getting it in. Been doing this shit for like a week straight, man. By myself. My lady just went to go pick up her son, so he gonna help me. Crazy ass little boy. So it's another wheelbarrow in the back. But yeah, man, this is what's going on. We got those bricks over there. We gonna do something. Yeah. It's gonna come together, man. It's gonna come together with the black and brown. You can already see it from how that look over there. That black and brown finna be cold, especially with the pavers and the black mulch going through there. Black mulch right here, yeah, it's gonna be dope. Yeah. All right, man. It's your boy B-Dub, and I'm out this job. Peace.